my name is Sky, and for today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial in Imovie, so let's get started. So I'm going to show you how to make a movie and add the media, how to split and trim the clips, and lastly, how to add transitions. But before we begin, I just want to say that this tutorial will be a 3-part series. They're going to be a part 2 and a part 3. So on part 2, I'm going to show you how to change the speed and distort the voices, how to add filters, how to add text and pictures. In part 3, I'm going to show you how to add sound effects, how to add music, and how to zoom in. But if you want to learn how to do overlays, then watch my other video on it. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, let's get started. So first you're going to click on the app that says iMovie, then you're going to click on the plus button, then after you click on the plus button, click on Movie. After you do that, you're just going to import your media. So I'm just going to choose this one of me just talking. It's just an example clip as always. Okay, so now that we know how to import your media, it was just shown on the bottom, and now I'm going to show you how to trim your clips. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap on it, and you trim when you're not talking yet. So I'm just going to tap on it, and I'm just going to drag to where I start talking and getting myself ready. And then right when I talk, I'm going to let it go.
Hey guys, my name is Sky, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you like a basic...
So you usually trim on each end of the clip. So obviously I'm going to go to the back. And then as you could see, I stopped talking and my hand moves to click on the button. So I wouldn't want that in my video. So I'm just going to click on it and I'm just going to drag to where I end talking and stop moving my hand.
Hey guys,
so this is
my
what it
name
should look
is
like.
Sky.
Okay, so now that we know how to trim, now we're going to split. So splitting is when you usually have a clip in the middle of your media that you don't want, so you have to clip both sides and then delete the middle. So I'll show you what I mean.
I'm going to be showing you like a basic tutorial on iMovie. So if you guys probably don't...
So as you could see, I just messed up.
Like a basic
so what you're going to do
iMovie
is you're going to click to exactly where you messed up. You're going to click on the screen, click on split. So after you split the first part, you have to watch the video again and see where you ended the mistake. So it was right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the screen and split it again. Okay, so now that you have the clip in the middle, you're just going to click on that and click delete. So then no one will ever know that you ever made that mistake, because it's just going to act like that never happened and then it move on to the right clip. So as you could see, that little line in the middle of both clips is the joining of it, even though you deleted part of the media. Okay, so now let's get started with transitions. So transition is the joining of both clips. You could either do like slides, it could go smoothly, or it could go bumpy. It depends on what you want to do. So you're going to click on the little line, and it gives you a selection. You could fade, you could slide, you could do a bunch of things, or you could just keep it the same. But I'm just going to slide. So as you could see, that transition went through the first clip to the second clip, while the second clip slided into the first clip. So you could also make the speed slower, but I don't really like this because the voices overlap. So I'm just going to keep to 0.5 seconds. So another thing that you could do is you could tap on the icon again, and it could change the direction. So you could slide up, slide down, slide to the right, slide to the left. There's another transition that I like. It's called dissolve, and it dissolves into the other clip, hence the name dissolve. But for this example, I'm just going to slide down. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I know someone recommended this video for me and they requested for me to do it. So hopefully it helps you. Again, it's going to be a 3-part series, so there's going to be 2 more videos up about iMovie and this tutorial about the basics of it. So stay tuned for those videos coming up. But yeah, if this video helped, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below whether you're excited for the other 2 videos. And yeah, please subscribe because it helps me a lot. Thank you guys. Bye.